Okay, so in last video we were just discussing this table which was half remaining. So in today's video we are going to continue this. So first is we had discussed these all. I'm just going to start with the mode of nutrition. Like mode of nutrition, these were classified into like how they were classified, how we will know that these five are different from each other. Just because mode of nutrition, what they intake, how they like body, what's the digestion tracts, these all. So we have two terms, autotrophic and heterotrophic. I just discussed in the last video, but again I'm going. If this is the sun, this is the sun, it is providing sunlight to this plant, and this is CO2. Plant takes CO2 from the environment and given to the plant, like it is taken. Then there's addition of H2O, and what will they form? That will form glucose. There would be glucose. Okay, so this is showing that the plant like Monera, Protista plantae, these all are autotrophic, which means they prepare their food by their own. They're not dependent on any other. Whereas if you can look into, this is autotrophic, it's written here. This is also autotrophic, Protista. Then fungi is heterotrophic. Fungi is not autotrophic, it's heterotrophic. Then this one is also autotrophic. Then last is heterotrophic, same. So we can say like this fungi, fungi and these animalia are dependent. This means they don't prepare their food. If we just take example of man or like human being, so human being, how you notice whatever we just eat in our daily life is not prepared by human beings themselves. How and why? Just because they are dependent. We are dependent on plants. We are dependent on any other animals to eat. Okay, so this means we don't make or prepare our own food. We are dependent. This is man. Okay, and fungi is also same. They don't prepare. Man, like heterotrophic simply mean they're not dependent. They're dependent. Sorry, dependent. They're dependent, or they don't prepare their food by their own. They are like, this mean the plant is the best example of this autotrophic, whereas man is the best example of the heterotrophic. We are dependent, whereas plant make their own food. They eat, like they prepare just because glucose. They take carbon dioxide. That's why we always we've heard in our society and our family that we need to grow much more plants. Why? Just because plant intake CO2, and that is not beneficial for ourselves. Already CO2 have a lot of disadvantages on our daily life, so it's good if you just grow plants. Then there would be intake of the CO2 as much, and there will be glucose production in the plant. This means they can prepare their food by the unwanted substance of human body which is not required. So that's all good. Okay, autotrophic, then you heterotrophic. So I just discussed these all in these two videos. So this is only introductory class. In upcoming video I will go with the kingdom animalia, but our topic or the main chapter is kingdom animalia. We are going to discuss only the kingdom animalia, but this was the introductory class. These two part were introductory class, so I just discussed these all. Okay, so yes, till that, bye bye, thank you for watching.